Guys, welcome back to my channel. I got this in the mail today. Oh, sorry, my cat is floating around. I got this in the mail today. I had ordered this from Dillard's. This is supposed to be a gift for my mom. And look at the condition that it arrived in. I've never in my life received a box that was in this poor condition. I just couldn't believe it when I saw it. It is as flat as a pancake on one side. I ordered this item from Dillard's and it was shipped USPS, so that's the United States Postal Service. I did take a separate video and I took photos to send it to Dillard's and to the post office. But the fact that wherever this happened, whether it was excuse me, Dillard's end of this or the post office, it should have been returned to Dillard's, not delivered, and they should have had to redo it, open it up, repackage it if it was in okay condition, which it's going to be a miracle if it's in okay condition, or another one should have been sent. I'm really completely disgusted. And they've stamped on it something like, it says received in something condition. I don't know what it says. If it says damaged, you can't even see it. But I just never, ever seen something so terrible. So let me unbox this. Let me see, what the condition is like. And sorry, I will, I'm guessing this is going back, but we're going to see. We're going to see how bad it is. Okay, let me do this. Thank you for shopping at Dillards.com. No, ha 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 ha. Wait, let me just get this receipt out because I think it has an address. Yes, it's the receipt with the address, and here is the item. You can see that. Oh my God, it looks like it might actually be okay. But we'll see. It is a Coach wallet. I'm sorry, I'm holding this at a weird angle because I'm trying to get all the damage. It is a Coach wallet. So I hate to take it out of the packaging, but let me see. Because again, it is a gift. But I'm going to do this and then put it back. Oh, okay, here we go. Luckily, it was small enough and it seems to have floated over into the side that wasn't completely smushed. Here it is. It's this yellow color. And it's a wallet. It's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. Actually, it's got the 2 slots here, which you could put something. It's got the billfold there. It's got this extra slot there. It says Coach. I'm going to take the camera now. It says Coach, you can see. It's got a snap closure. And I'm sorry that this is such a wonky video, but I just really felt it was important to memorialize what was going on with this. Let me see if I can close this. It's hard with one hand. Okay, here we go. And it's got the yellow, the C, just kind of like it's probably metal. It's enamel maybe over it or coated. And it's got this little zipper compartment on the back. The zipper's nice and smooth, and that's where you would put your coins. Now, I'm trying to remember what I purchased this for. I'm pretty sure this was on sale. But I just thought that this would be nice. I had bought the Coach purse for my mother, I guess last week, and then I saw this on sale. And I thought, this is nice because she doesn't really have a wallet in good condition anymore. And she can put her money in here, and then it was the camera bag that I bought her, and then she can have the camera bag, and she can take that with her. So, oh, I'm amazed this is not completely destroyed. I'm so happy. So thank you for bearing with me with this crazy unboxing video with that box. It's just completely extraordinary. I mean, look at that. Can you imagine delivering something like that to a paying customer? It's terrible. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.